Sufi theology claims to promote nearness to Allah through their spiritual practices. My question is, are there benefits in Sufi practices and customs that promote nearness to Allah?
You see, there was no Sufism during the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Was there any Sufi at that time? No. There was no Sufi during the time of the four rightly guided Khulafat, Khulafai Rashidin. There was no. After centuries, this thing started. And when it started, it was because at that time, Khilafat was not the spiritual Khilafat. That was worldly Khilafat. And the Khulafa of those times were after worldly gains. And Khalifa was not the chosen Khalifa by the community, but they inherited it. So this is why at that time the group of people stood up. You say we are the spiritual people, and we tell the people that what is the actual spirit of your religion and what is the spirit of prayers, right? And how you should pray, how you should bow before Allah, how you should practice the commandments given in the Holy Quran. And this is how they started, and they started explaining teachings of the Holy Quran. So this is how it all developed. But now, after the coming of the Prophet ﷺ, who came to revive the religion of Islam, according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet of Islam, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right? Now, there is no need of any Sufi, no need to follow any Sufi. Even I remember once I explained in my khutbah the verse, Allahu nuru samawati wal arz. So one of the Arab person who was newly converted Ahmadi, he said, I was the follower of Sufism. And now after having listened to your khutbah, I can say there is no bigger Sufi than the Prophet ﷺ. And how he has explained the Holy Quran, how he has explained the teaching of the Holy Quran. So we don't need any other Sufi now. And now the Khilafat is also rightly guided. As long as it will remain as it is, then there is no need of any Sufism. So it was the requirement of the past, not the present.
Exactly.
Right?
Okay.